Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use iframe in your web page. Basically we are using iframe to display a web page within a web page, and for iframe we use the iframe tag in our web page. There is some work of iframe in our web page, so let's see the work. Before starting, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel. Just click on this red subscribe button and also comment to my videos. So let's start. Open your Sublime text editor and save your file. From file to save as, give a name like iframe dot html. Now save. Here I will type html and enter. So page title name, we use the page title name like use of iframe. See here, iframe. So in the body tag, here I will use the iframe tag, iframe, this one, enter. So you can see here the search attribute. Search attribute, we know that we are using search attribute to adjust the file direction. Like here I will use one of my document list.html to open with a iframe, and now save. So let's see in the browser, open with a browser. Here you can see my document is open with a new window, and this is called the iframe. So by default it's have the height and width, you can see, and it's in pixel, but we can change the size. Just here you can type the height 500 pixel and width 800 pixel. Now save and let's see again in the browser, refresh. So here you can see the window size is changed. So we can also use the percentage of our height and width, and if we want we can style our iframe, and you can see here there is a border by default, but if we don't want the border, then we can remove the border by using the style attribute, style, and now border, and use here the border none. So if we use the border none, then border will be removed. Save and see in the browser. So here you can see there is no border, and we can use the border as we like if we want to style the border, then we can do this by using border to pixel solid gray, this color. So now save and see here the solid gray border I'm using here, and save the file. And now let's see again in the browser, refresh. So here you can see this is our own created border is here, 2 pixel solid gray color. And iframe can be used as the target frame for a link, and for a link name attribute must be refer like. So for a link we can use the target attribute here. Delete this and use the name attribute and target, use and use the name attribute, and name will be the iframe underscore a for a link. And now save. Here you can see iframe search list.html, and for target or link you can use the name attribute here and iframe underscore a, use this and save. Now let's see in the browser, refresh. You can see the iframe is open as a link. So by this way you can use the a link, and you can also use another way like just remove this, remove, and here p for paragraph. So we are using the p here, and we will use the link attribute a, enter half. So here I will use the web address link like www.youtube sorry, full URL address we should use here, https underscore youtube.com here, and use a link like YouTube, and now save. So here we will use the target attribute, target, and now iframe underscore a, that's why it will be opened with a new browser. Save, and let's see in the browser, refresh and click on this link, and here you can see our link is open with a new tab. So this is the use of iframe, and the most important use of a iframe is that in our web page we use the Google map, and for a Google map we can use this iframe. So in my next future I will discuss about this, and I hope you all understand how can we use the iframe. So see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.